We are now doing Words with Randy. So, how are you doing today, Randy?
Not well, nigga.
I want to give your opinion and enlightenment on things such as what's going on today. So, how do you feel about this new Batman movie coming out?
I don't know. I ain't never heard of it. But I heard it's gonna be good as hell. Shit, so, you know.
Alright.
Like she was wrong, you know what I'm saying? She was good.
Alright. What do you think about how rappers look today compared to the rappers that was grown around when you was growing up? From they had the gangster image, and so now you have rappers like Wayne wearing skinny jeans hands, you know. And
man, look, man. Weezy's my nigga, but half these niggas out here is lame as shit. Rappers out here today, man, from all the way back through the years, all the way through the 80s, they fuck it. I don't know. They probably don't even know what they talking about. If that was me, I just bring it back to the old days. All the 80s babies, y'all know what I'm talking about. Fuck that. Take you all the way back to the 80s, bring it all the way back to the new millennium, and let the niggas know what's really good. So but right now, I don't know too much about the industry right now because it's all fucked up. It's my opinion, shit. So.
Well, recently today, Kanye and Jay-Z released that they are working on a Watch the Throne 2. How do you feel about Watch the Throne 2, and do you think it's going to reach the expectations of the first Watch the Throne?
If the first Watch the Throne can sell out, then I think the second one can sell out. Trust me, I got it already, so I don't give a fuck. So Watch the Throne 1 is just dumb hard, because I listen to that shit every night.
All right.
Niggas in Paris is my shit. I don't give a fuck what you say, but that's my shit.
All right.
If Watch the Throne 2 go harder, then that shit gonna sell out. And if they come out with a number 3, then game over. That's it. So if they come out with a number 3 to that, there is no more music. I'm sorry. The music game is all fucked up.
Speaking of, while we're on the subject of Kanye, how do you feel about Kanye dating Kim Kardashian?
Kanye, you dating Kim Kardashian, you's a motherfucking fool. You know she fucked up with Chris Humphries. Then she fucked up with Ray J. She might fuck over you. Then you gonna be mad and you gonna walk away, but it's alright though. Cause I'm thinking, yeah, she was a hoe. But if you tap that, big ups to you, dog. She is kind of fine as fuck. And if you do ever get a chance, tell her sister to get them holler, cause
but she do have like plenty of sisters. Which particular sister are you talking about?
You know which one I'm talking about, man. Courtney, nigga. Even though she married the old boy and everything.
Well, she's not really married.
Oh, man, she ain't married?
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah.
Courtney, and when her younger sister get older, tell her to come holler at me. You know what I'm saying? Because when she get older, she gonna be cute, too. I wouldn't mind if you got them tell their mama to come over here and spit shit on my face. They mom can get the business. You already know what I'm saying? She older, very sweet as the juice, damn it. Your husband won't mind shit. He's like, damn it, what, in his 60s? You Viagra taking ass motherfucker. Look, man, your wife can get the business, dog. I'm sorry. She just, keep on my face.
Well, this is your last segment. This is the first episode with Words with Randy, and we have plenty more to come. What is your last statement for what's going on? What you think? What's in the streets right now? How do you feel about the streets?
Man, look, man, the streets is fucked up. Look, we got niggas out here turning to faggots. We got females turning to niggas. We got police out here running in other people's pockets for no reason. Nigga, you know I got stopped by a cop the other week. Man, you black bastard. Look, man, y'all police, man, need to get off our dicks and leave us alone and let us get our money. You know what I'm saying? How you gonna stop me from being at the store, from talking to my people? We talking about you ain't supposed to be up here in the store. How old is you, dog? I'm 25 fucking years old, man. If you need to see some ID, nigga, here you go. 1986, Greensboro, North Carolina, July 7th. Holla at your boy. I'm a cancer, yeah, I said it. You got a problem with it, say it to my face. But other than that, the world is fucked up. The president ain't doing shit about it. We can't do shit about it. So what we supposed to do? Sit here and roll over and die for the police? Look, man, from north, south, east, west. Everybody know that we can't trust each other like that no more, cause we got too many snitches and too many bitches, and we trying to get all our riches. You understand what I'm saying, homie? It's just like that. It's fucked up out here. It's fucking unbearable.
Alright, well, Words with Randy. We'll return with sometime next week for your second episode.
Oh, wow.
Any shout out?
Look, nigga. East side, you already know we ride. West side, we ride. The rest of you faggot motherfuckers, y'all can die. Understand what I'm saying, homie? If you ain't about money, leave me fucking alone. Deuces to you, and I'm out.